Hey guys, how we doing this morning? On the Salty Hoosier this morning, the 320 Sea-Ray Sundancer with the Mercruiser engines. So today we went out, been having this issue intermittently. We'll go out and then it won't run above, neither engine will run above 3,500 RPMs, and then it will, and sometimes it'll go wide out, run, get on plane, run up 4,100 RPMs, and then all of a sudden the starboard motor will start fluctuating. The RPMs will kind of jump back and forth, about 500 RPMs or so, and then you got to back it down. So, doing a little research because I don't have a diagnostic tool for the boat. Got one for the car, but I found out they're not on the same. They're not on the same type of language, so to speak. So that kind of makes that unusable, and don't really want to spend $1,000 or whatever it is for one of those deals to read the boat yet. I may have to, but anyway, doing some research online. The major consensus was the MAP sensor, which is the maximum allowable pressure sensor. So what we're going to do is, I came out here, wanted to see exactly which one it was. I know everybody says buy the marine stuff, but at $107, I think it was, for the marine version versus $40 for the AutoZone version, I think we're going with the AutoZone version. See what happens. I can buy two of those by the time I buy one of the one of the $100 versions. This says boat. So anyway, just give you an idea where it's at. This around. So it's on top of the motor. Okay, I've already taken off here's the port motor. Come over here to the starboard motor. I've already taken off the cover. And it is that right there. It's got a little nut on it. Looks about an 10 millimeter nut. All right, we're back. Had to started off at one parts place, ended up at another because I didn't have what I was looking for. But anyway, I ended up, it was just a chit show to go to get this part, but we got it. It's the Bosch MAP sensor is what I ended up getting. They had it at AutoZone. I'm gonna turn this around. There's the part number. It does come with a limited lifetime warranty. I don't know how. So I saved the receipt, put it with the stuff, and now we're going to try to put it on, see what happens. And guess what? It doesn't fit. It does not fit. You go to, first thing I looked at when I pulled it out, I was like, it's a little smaller on the plug side, but maybe it'll fit. And you go to trying to do this with one hand, so go to try to put it in. Yep, doesn't fit. Thank you, Mercury. You absolutely did me in. Thanks. Back to the drawing board. Hey guys, how we doing today? Saturday, October, I think the 5th, I'm pretty sure. A little over a week since Hurricane Helene struck our house. I put up the shorts on those, just kind of updating everybody on how we were doing. Appreciate everybody that looked at them. got like 7,000 views. Blew my mind. I figured it'd just be family and friends, but anyway, back on the boat, got some maintenance stuff to do. I was going to change out the map sensor before on the starboard engine, and I bought the wrong one. So note to everybody, don't try to cheap out and go to AutoZone to get your map sensor for your 351 mag, because it's not the same. So anyway, I'm gonna get that done today. Also picked up a new set of wiper blades for it, for the windshield. We get those put on, then we're just gonna take it out and give it a little test run. Got cleaned right before the storm hit, so we should be good there. You'll notice I don't have a lot put back on the boat yet. In fact, I'll spin it around. So, as you can see, it's sunny. It's October and it's already 90 freaking degrees outside. So, but anyway, I got the air conditioner on down here, kind of cooling things off. You notice I haven't put the seats back. They're still, I still got everything kind of piled up in here. And the reason for that was we actually were expecting maybe another storm to come through this weekend, but it looks like it's going to hold off until tomorrow, maybe Monday, and at worst it's probably going to be a tropical storm. So all good there. But I'm going to leave the cover or the awnings off for the biminis until all that gets done, gets passed through here, because it's a pain to take on and off, especially by yourself. So but anyway, we're going to get the hatch up, and then we'll get that map sensor on, start, maybe put some of the stuff back on, because like I say, we want to take it for a test drive. My wife's probably going to want to go with me, so we'll talk at you in a bit. Well, that was a surprise. I opened up, had my toolbox. I keep my toolbox under the seat, and opened it up, pulled it out so I can do the map sensor, and as you can see, water. Must have got, it was some, didn't rain a ton, but I guess it was enough. So anyway, we'll clean this up too while we're at it. So let's get the hatch going. All right, we're back down in the bilge, and for those of you that don't know, I've had some issues with the starboard engine. It'll run fine, and then all of a sudden it'll just excuse me, I'm trying to work one-handed, and I got polarized sunglasses on, can't see the lens, can't see what I'm doing. Anyway, it'll run along fine, right up, wide open throttle. I'll get 4,500, almost 5,000 RPM, and then all of a sudden it'll just drop almost 1,000 RPM and then start fluctuating. So on the different forums that I was on, everybody said it looks like it's, or went to the map sensor is what they were thinking, and so I may have gotten the wrong map sensor again. Crap, let me look. All right, so yeah, it is the right one. Good. So I'm kind of gun shy after the deal with AutoZone. So anyway, we're going to get that one out, put this one in, hook it all back up, take it for a test spin. Of course, I'm gonna throw the seat cover, or the seats down, put the windshield wipers on, then we'll get out and take at it. So anyway, see y'all soon. All right, you gotta love the engineers at Mercury. So this is a 10 millimeter. It's a stud. So you gotta use a deep well. There maybe. Eventually I'll get that out. There we go. So that's a 10 mil. That's, you can see, is the original. I don't know what, I guess it was for grounding something off, maybe. I don't know. Get that out of there. Wiggle it around. See if we can. Actually, I'm working one-handed here. You know what? Let's put these out of the way. So there's red to the left, black to the right. There we go. So we got that one out. I don't know if there's anything. I mean, I wasn't getting the code at the helm, so I don't know. Let's see. Put you back in there. Got it down in there, and I'm gonna see using one of the nuts that they provide. Let's see what that does. Hold on. All right, so like I said, they gave you these nuts. These are 8mm, by the way. The reason I know is because I checked it while I was inside just to make sure what tools I needed. But we'll see if that one will get down there. It's got a little Loctite on it, so can't hurt. Get that. Yeah, got started. All right, so switch out to the 8. I don't know, yeah, see that? To the 10. Ow. That, this down. Nice and snug. Put this. Alright, so we got the engine fired up, which it's running. Idling a little low. It's only 580, 590. Kind of, I mean 600, there we go. But it waits and it doesn't immediately go to it. The Ford engine, on the other hand, we'll get that one fired up. See, it comes up. It automatically, I mean, it starts 700 and cold, and then it'll drop down. So I don't know what I got going on here. It's just sinks off a little bit or what. But anyway, yeah, I got 100 RPM difference. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna let these warm up, and wife and I are going to take it out for a ride, see what happens.